Hi everyone, this is Sarah Ackley here with Tulip. I'm here to show you a new application that we're releasing this week into our library. So we come in here to the line clearance application. So this is really catered towards anyone in a regulated environment, or especially in like life sciences. We see a big need for needing to do a line clearance. Really important to make sure that your operations are following the quality procedures that are in place and making sure that the products that you're building are made to the utmost quality. So if I go ahead and show you a quick demo of the application, you can come in here and select a batch. This type of application could be connected directly to an ERP system. In most cases, I would say that this actually would be connected. So you wouldn't really have the option. You would select on this table directly from an ERP system. Creating a new batch probably wouldn't apply to you, and that you would handle that with your ERP system. But Tulip is super customizable, so you can easily add new information or batches into the system as well if you wanted to go that way. So we go ahead and select a batch. You can see it's pulling the order that it's associated with, the material number, and the quantity associated with that order. So go ahead and click confirm. And then here, once again, you can customize it a bit further. This is showing a list of all of the equipment that is stored in our equipment table within Tulip. But I go ahead and I click the blending machine. I click select. And the cool thing about Tulip, because it is a digital record, it's going to keep and store the last line clearance that you performed on that particular piece of equipment. So we're going to go ahead and click, start a new batch. Once again, it's saying please confirm the previous batch information. So I'm going to click next. I've confirmed it. Tulip automatically pulls the date and time of when this application has started. So it's currently 1:32. So it automatically pulls that timestamp. I then can go ahead and go through my checklist. You can easily customize this checklist to fit whatever your regulations are. This is just, again, used as an example of how you could use Tulip in order to perform a line clearance. You go ahead and click submit, and then it walks us through a signature form. And so this, again, you can customize. This is asking a double confirmation of the operator. But since the operator is logged in, they're already being stored with the information. You could change this to be like a verifier, and you could set up the logic to make sure that the person who is signing this form, that the badge ID matches the verifier. One other thing to note is that if you are in this space, generally you're connected directly to your Active Directory, and so this here would prompt for a username and password that's linked to your Active Directory, as opposed to the Tulip badge ID, which would be much more secure. And so now we've completed the line clearance for that new batch. We could come in here and if we select the blending machine, we can see the full history of line clearances that has been performed on that particular machine. So we could see that on August 27th it ran 0001, and now today on September 8th we did a changeover with this new batch that I just ran. So that's one of the benefits of using Tulip as your digital record. So you get all of your information in digital form. If you're interested at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email support@tulip.co. You can reach us on chat, and we'd be happy to download this application into your instance and help you get started. This particular application is called Material Management, and it's made in this demo specifically for the life sciences application use, but it really can be used for any type of material management. So just to give you a quick little demo, it's a material management application. So you can use Tulip to help manage your moving parts. These are like physical parts that are moving throughout your factory. Generally, they'd have a barcode on them or some type of indicator of, what it is. And so you'd come in here and you'd select a batch. Again, this is catered towards life sciences, but can be used for any industry. So maybe this is an order, maybe this is a part number, any kind of thing. So you'd come in here and you would select your item, and you can see here that this item is currently in encapsulation, and so maybe it's not ready to move yet to packaging. So you're going to go ahead and move it to the storage room. So you'd come in here, and you can see that in this terminal, it's now been moved to 1761. You can click through and see different locations of the different orders that you have maybe in progress. Click the home button, we can see that some logs. So the history record and why Tulip is so important is it's keeping a whole log of every piece of equipment. I mean every batch or every piece of equipment, and each move that it happens, as well as the user that did it and the time that it happened. So these are just examples of ways that you can use Tulip to help manage your materials. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are more than happy to help you.
Hi, my name is Joe Sinopoli, and I am here today to show you the machine monitoring dashboard application. Here we have the application, as you can see, and it shows an overall dashboard view of machines in a facility, their current status as denoted by the specific color blocks overlaid in their position on the shop floor, and then a series of metrics from their overall equipment effectiveness to their quality output for a given time period. An individual can select what time period they would like to see the metrics for, and they will update accordingly. We can click on a specific machine by selecting it on the map. When a machine is selected, we are brought into this lower level view of the uptime of a machine for the given time period, including the specific OEE availability and other performance metrics for a given time period. This is an extensible start to a dashboard that any team can look to use to gain greater insights into the performance and other performance metric rates for machines on their shop floor. Thank you very much.